The meticulous craftsmanship.
The spacing here looks good, exactly 40 centimeters.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
The depth on these looks consistent with the plan. We should be ready for the next phase by noon.
The secondary blast zone needs clearing before we proceed.
Yeah, look at the schematics here. We need the D9 to move first. Clear the zone. Zone clear. Make sure it's clear of the hole right there. Yeah, I got it. Let's get this mat down now.
Sector 4 is reading green. All personnel clear the area.
The drilling rigs have finished their work, and the pit is secured. We are now entering the final hold period before the detonation.
One, you are clear to dump. I say again, clear to dump.
The gyratory crusher handles the primary reduction before it moves to the cone's secondary.
Got it. The PM10 levels are down by 20%.
Looks like the new nozzles are working. We need to clear that buildup on the screen.
Understood. Control, reducing flow to crusher 2.
The secondary conveyor takes the uniformly crushed material, allowing for the isolation of these valuable gold-bearing particles.
The gravity separation cable uses oscillation and a thin film of water to separate the dense gold particles from the lighter waste sand. The slurry is pumped onto the cable, where gentle vibrations allow for the separation of materials based on specific gravity.
Check the flow on table 4. We are losing fines.
I see it. Adjusting the water pressure now. keep an eye on the pressure gauge here.
Yeah.
It's holding steady.
Should I log the current levels?
Yes, make a note of the temperature as well.
Convinced dough. The gold separation process utilizes a precise workflow, moving the slurry thread and
It looks precise.
The current melt temperature is stable at 1200 degrees Celsius.
Verified. We are clear for the next pour.
Check the gauge on the east side, it's fluctuating.
I see it. It's within tolerance, but I'll make a note.
We're holding steady at 800 degrees on the west side.
Okay, recording that now.
As the temperature drops, the surface tension shifts and the metal rapidly solidifies from the edges inward.
The temperature stabilized exactly as expected.
Good, let's log it and move to the next section. Check the temperature on this one, near the center.
Yeah.
Reading stable, it's ready for transfer.
The thermal signature on rack 4 is normalizing faster than expected. Acceptable parameters, let's log it.
The newly minted gold bars move along the conveyor, each one stamped with its unique serial number and purity.
For centuries, gold has been the ultimate store of value. Held securely, backed by this certified document.
Inventory confirmed.
Seals intact.
Ready for transport.
The meticulous craftsmanship of this 24K gold ring, centered on a brilliant cut diamond, truly captures a sense of timeless luxury.
That was such a wonderful experience.
And the necklace is perfect. I love it so much.
As you can see, the main stone is a perfect cut.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. She's gonna love it.
Will you marry me? Oh my God, yes.
Here, this is for you. Happy birthday.
Oh wow, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Fins. She really might get turned again, like,